Let's build an owl's nest. My first mistake happened when I thought I could get cute and use my jigsaw to cut angles in a circle. That was a huge mistake.
That's what happens when I try to cut corners and don't take out my table saw to cut the 15-degree angle properly. The drawbacks of having a small shop is that's the table saw.
Like the well-known saying in Colombia goes, El perezoso trabaja el doble. Lazy people work double. I should have just taken out my table saw to begin with. To fix my mistakes, I took my table saw out, set it at 15 degrees, and made my cuts.
It makes a world of difference when you use the right tool to make the right angle cut. Look at how nice that line looks. Much better than my atrocious attempt with my jigsaw to cut a 15-degree angle.
I also used a 4-inch hole saw to cut a much better circle. Now that I had all of my mistakes fixed, it was time to start putting this owl nest together. This screw holder clamp came in handy to help keep screws on the drill. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can pick one up. Did you hear that? That was a painful splinter. Yep, that's a broken drill bit.
That sucks.
now the last step is to attach an eye hook right here, and then I need to figure out how to put some door stops so that when it closes, it stops right here. I ended up finding an L bracket I must have kept from a previous project that worked out perfectly as a doorstop. There we go. Perfect. All right, there we have it. Whoa! Pretty big, for sure, and heavy. All right, cool. Now it's time to go hang him. So one thing I forgot to do while reading the hanging instructions or building instructions was to put a little perch right under the entrance, 2 inches from the entrance, to allow the bird to have a way to kind of get out easier. So here it is. So I wrapped this galvanized wire a few times. I went in through the holes that I punched in the back, or in the back panel. Yep. And here's the top, wrapping around the back of the tree, so we're not making any damage to the tree. All right, still can get to it. It's not too tall either, so I can put this ladder there and then access the inside. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have any nests, share your experiences. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to see more projects that I come up with. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.